Why immorality is a disease? Morality means according to the cosmic order, and immorality means against the cosmic order. As per our Vedic scriptures, the only law prevailing in this universe is the law of karma, which is named as Rit, that is universal law of morality. This concept of law includes the concept of justice, which again includes harmony. It means there where is morality, there is justice and harmony. Nowadays, we find worldwide unrest and turmoil. People are becoming violent and aggressive because of the sense of injustices. Every country involved in war has a sense of injustice behind it, which is the cause of war. This injustice arises from the immoral activities of some persons or countries, and this immorality is the byproduct of not being in sync with the cosmic order. A person with selfish, self centered, egoistical approach towards life will almost always be immoral. When we can't realize our spiritual existence as cosmic being, then we commit such types of crimes like torturing and cheating others. A person with holistic approach towards life will never do anything wrong to others because he is quite aware of his connectedness with the whole cosmos. Doing wrong unto others is indirectly inflicting oneself without awareness of it. But a person with unhealthy state of mind and soul can't understand it, or you can say that though he is quite aware of his misdeeds, yet due to his diseases like anger, pride, lust, greed, envy, jealousy, etc., he overlooks the voice of his conscience. This state of mind is not the genuine and pure state of mind and soul. Mind in its pure divine state is very loving and compassionate towards others. But when mind is not at ease, means disease is lost of its divine qualities and incurs very unhealthy traits of life. Like a software gone corrupt due to viruses, the mind of the immoral person behaves abnormally. His abnormality appears in the form of immoral activities. So, to have a healthy mind and soul, we need to have a holistic approach towards life and world. We need to realize our cosmic existence and our connectedness to the whole cosmos. When one is able to realize this fact that everyone in this world and universe is an integral part of his own existence, then never ever he will become immoral. So, immorality is not something natural as it is taken for granted in the present world scenario. It must be considered as a disease and has been proved by the scientists that a particular type of gene is responsible for our immoral behavior. Also, many neurologists have